Good afternoon. My name is David Deutsch, and I'm here on behalf of project44, which is a Chicago-based logistics technology company that connects shippers, brokers, and 3PLs to their capacity providers through our advanced visibility platform. In just a few moments, I'm going to demonstrate some art of the possible examples of how project44 web services can be integrated into common customer service applications. Before diving in, however, allow me to provide a little bit of context. Early on in our organization's history, we made a strategic decision to focus on integrations and partnerships above development of an independent application. We chose to focus on building a best-in-class logistics and capacity provider network, power that network with the highest quality information available, and deliver that information to our customers' existing systems and applications through RESTful API integrations. The integration typically starts within a TMS, but it doesn't necessarily have to stop there. One of the advantages of our approach is that these integrations can be integrated into multiple business applications that impact different business units within the customer. Today, we're going to take a deeper look at how project44 software can impact customer service and support. We'll focus on two example integrations, one into chatbot software powered by IBM Watson technology, and another into the Salesforce CRM application. One of the consistent themes that we hear from shippers and 3PLs alike is that their customer service personnel are spending a significant percentage of their time not only fielding transportation-related inquiries from customers, but also hunting down the information that they need to respond to those inquiries. They're scouring carrier websites, contacting carriers over email and phone, and even hounding their internal transportation departments to get access to a lot of the necessary information. This is not only time-intensive, but results in a less than optimal customer experience. So with this first demonstration, I'm going to show how some of these customer service integrations can be streamlined or altogether eliminated. What you see on the screen is a simple web page with an embedded chatbot that is built using the IBM Watson virtual assistant. The chatbot is also integrated with project44's multimodal tracking API, which enables the chatbot to retrieve information that is being requested by the user. For the sake of the demonstration, let's imagine that this chatbot is embedded within a shipper website and that the user, in this case me, has logged into the website, allowing the chatbot to pull information that is relevant to my business. So I'll get started with just a simple inquiry. How many shipments are happening today? As I submit the request, the chatbot is going to process the text and analyze the intent of the user. And broadly speaking, that intent is broken down into a couple of different buckets. Either give me some information that I'm looking for, or take an action on my behalf. After the chatbot categorizes the intent of the user, it will call the project44 API in order to retrieve the requested information, and then present that to the user within the chatbot interface. Let's get a little bit more granular. Suppose I work for a clothing retailer and that I manage a processing dock at a retail store. Perhaps the store is expecting some critical deliveries from one of its brands, and I want to make sure that everything is running smoothly. So I log on to the brand website, and I submit a simple request for a general overview of all shipments that are headed to my location. Again, the chatbot will process the text, analyze the intent, and it bears mentioning that in a real-world scenario, the chatbot will use machine learning techniques to continuously improve intent recognition and make more accurate decisions about the intention of the user. So we can see now that I have 8 shipments going to Phoenix, and beyond this, I'm probably interested to know if any of those shipments are at risk. So we can see that there are 4 late shipments. And finally, I'm interested in knowing the current status of my most critical delivery. For this final inquiry, the chatbot will retrieve the current status of the shipment along with an estimated time of arrival from the project44 API. The API will also return a web link that will direct me to a dynamic shipment detail page hosted by project44. On this page, I can monitor progress of the shipment, including the shipment's current status, any changes to its ETA, and even the shipment's current location. Let me transition over to the Salesforce example. This integration is also intended to reduce the number of manual interactions that are required to respond to a customer service inquiry. Suppose that I'm a customer service rep and I've just fielded a call from a customer that's concerned with a particular delivery. Rather than having to contact an internal transportation coordinator or reach out to the carrier to get the desired information, I can simply look up the customer's order ID within Salesforce. After finding the correct order, I can click on this shipment status link in the upper right-hand corner, which will trigger a call out to the project44 API. And similar to the chatbot scenario, the API will return the current status of the shipment, along with an ETA and a link to a public detail view. I can then very quickly summarize that information and send it to the inquiring customer through their communication method of choice. And I can also include that public link so that the customer can continue to monitor progress of the shipment on their own. So in summary, these two examples, these simple examples, are meant to illustrate what is possible when you have access to accurate and real-time information through a modern web service interface. At project44, our goal is to not only enhance the TMS, but to enhance every one of our customers' applications that are impacted by transportation. We look forward to collaborating with our customers and hopefully some of the folks in this room to identify new and exciting applications of our solution. Thank you.